once we get to Westport, we can guys weekend 2024, headed up to Kettle Creek, 5 buddies from high school, and should be a good weekend. We're gonna do some trout fishing, shooting some guns. Chad Martin all the way from North Carolina coming up.
We're here.
We're almost here. We left Lancaster at around 6 a.m. Stopped in Renova Lock Haven for groceries. Our good buddy Jake's coming in from, is he in Minnesota?
Minnesota.
Jake's coming in from Minnesota. He flew into Pittsburgh, and he had a little, it sounds like he should be joining us hopefully around noon today. We'll go get the cabin set up, and then 3 other buddies. Is Buckwater joining tonight?
I think tonight.
Buckwater's coming up tonight, and then Brenton and Jeremy are coming in. Brenton and Jeremy are coming in first thing tomorrow morning, and hopefully have some good trout fishing in Kettle Creek. I think Jeremy is working in New York City or New Jersey all day. I don't know. He might come tonight. He should come tonight.
You should just drive straight through.
Yeah, it's only 5 hours from New York City to Kettle Creek. So stay tuned. We'll try to shoot a lot of video. Hopefully we catch a lot of trout, have some good times, good conversations, lots of good food. And yeah, stay tuned. Any closing comments, Surf Dog?
No, we're excited. It's good to be together, that's for sure.
Yeah, iron sharpens iron. Squeeze that trigger. We made it to the cabin. Cabin's all set up. Out for a little walk. Hopefully we can bump into Jake. Take the old 22 out for a walk. So Jake's coming in Montours Road. Hopefully, so we're hoping to bump into him as he's driving to the cabin. He's never been here before, and he decided to go his own way and not follow the detailed instructions that I emailed out. So we will see if we bump into him. He did seem to get lost in Pittsburgh this morning, so stay tuned.
How's it going?
He made it!
Really long.
Oh man, I'm glad you guys were sitting there. It's cool.
Yeah, it was good timing.
One truck came by. I passed one truck on.
What do we?
My friend Matt Barley.
What do we got here?
We have.
Wow, that is an artifact.
Pei.
Oh, it's carved in there.
You carved it. This is your pipe.
It's not my pipe
Well,
anymore.
this is the one you gave me when we were in high school. So there you go.
Getting ready for our first meal at the cabin. Surf Dog, what's cooking?
We got some burgers and some cheese dogs.
Nice. We have made it to our first fishing destination, and Jake jumped out of the car. And let's see what Jake's doing.
There he is. Oh shoot, I missed you guys. First cast.
We've been here all of 3 minutes, and Jake's already getting strikes. Chad's gearing up.
I'm switching out gear.
Me
I'm
too.
with what Jake is.
I'm back up at the truck, and I'm putting on my my sneakers. Fish are jumping out there.
Let them roll on the bottom.
The day thou gave us, Lord, has ended. First day is in the books. We each landed one.
We get to eat tonight. Delicious.
No starving. Jake cooked him up on the grill, knew right what to do. Got some buffalo chicken dip in the oven. Day
Guys, it's
2.
nearly 8 o'clock. Send out the search party for Britain. Don't let the Russians get him.
For the Russian,
That left turn might have got him.
It's a left-right turn, bro.
When you get to the vista, don't jump.
Turn around.
and take a hard right down left.
Day 2, we're waiting for Buckwater and Brenton cooking up some breakfast scramble.
To the vehicle and starts speaking a different language to his wife. And I was all like, oh, that's not a good sign.
Those are the last words Jeremy heard.
Buckwalter! Oh, Jacob! Brother man!
A little bit simpler than that, but
I'm a novice at
best. It takes some time to put that. It tastes like hot crab.
Brett,
Dude, you know what? By the time we're
We got.
done with
Oh no! It looks like you do have leader on there. Do you have tippet too? Do you know?
well,
Oh, here's your. Is this your tippet?
Sullivan, yep.
Yeah, that's where Dave's. I'm up to his.
You betcha.
Oh.
Jake's sneaking out to the creek bank. How do you say he struck out here last night and he's back for vengeance? See how the ancient angler. Oh! You're on, Chadley.
Alright, here's the cast.
What do you say, guys?
I
All
say
this
he's
in heaven too.
Just another day on the Kettle Creek. Let's see what you got in that basket, Shaky.
Just a little limit of trout in the day. About an hour into the day.
Wow. Slaymaster.
We got it.
Bring the right axe and everything.
That one's gonna taste the best, right, B?
I don't even eat fish. That's the ironic thing.
You will.
Yeah,
You
I
will. They were really good yesterday.
Is that right?
Oh gosh, yeah. Well, I told the guys I'm cleaning all the fish. So.
I'm curious which one you went after. Because I have 2 nymphs on there.
Double?
Double nymphs.
How do you do that? One up, one down? That's kind of cool. The lower it looks like maybe, huh?
Woo!
Drag, baby, yeah.
Working that thing, Dave.
He's having fun with it.
I just enjoy it for the fun. He's pulling the drag. Not tired yet.
That, yeah. I'm good. There's that stupid rock. I think I've caught this rock 5 or 6 times. Same one. There's a huge one right there if I don't pay attention.
Go get it, man. Go get it. Fuck just had one too.
Woohoo!
Nice one. Beautiful fish.
What did he show off the fish to the camera, B?
Yeah, buddy. All right. I'm done fighting.
Kettle Creek limit, baby.
What's that?
Kettle Creek limit.
Woo! The sleigh master comes in from Minnesota.
Like 3 point? I don't know. This is incredible out here. Holy cow.
This is beautiful.
Yeah, we don't do them all, but I'll do 2 batches. A little closer. Put them in there, Jake. Well, I don't want to. If they're not done right, then they're not going to be. Okay. Get this.
Whose is that one there?
Must be. Jake's. I feel bad giving him that one.
Throw some.
Yeah, I was gonna throw some stuff off.
There's, I think I told you, there's my indicator that I had on. One went right up to it and then went right back down. So there's
On your indicator.
on my indicator. So I know they're watching the surface.
Coming up.
What's that, Bucky Buck?
You had a Jaeger night?
Yeah, that was awesome. I remember that night. I was there.
Dancing around the
I
fire.
was there.
Yeah, my app. Oh, look out. Oh boy. There you are. Jake popped up again.
See you, Jeremy.
Remind me of zipping in my chest pocket.
Heading out for our last day of fishing. Any words of wisdom?
Catch them.
On display. Make them lips sore.
Been a good guys weekend 2024. What'd you find, Jake?
This is trout lily. It's called trout lily because it's this leaf is speckled kind of like a trout. And it's a yellow flower. It's an early wildflower for spring. Beautiful. Well, that answers the question. There's fish out there.
What'd you catch him on?
I think it was just a minute.
Nice.
But I've been fishing all day. Finally one stuck.
There he is.
In the,
Go back to the honey hole.
Or you have something spotted along the way. He hit right by you, man.
Yeah. Land him.
See this thing. Nice.
Look at that fatty, beautiful.
Beautiful.
Nice little brown. Wow, that's a big fish. That's a big fish. It's a fatty, huh?
Yeah, it's a big fish.
It's a brown.
Look at those little red speckles on him.
Yep.
It's beautiful.
Brown trout. Put her on, huh?
You got a pan to feed though, because he just looks so good.
Like the trout lily speckle. Look at that.
We've discovered Jake's Candret, the trout whisperer, in his natural habitat. The trout whisperer, as you'll see, is a rare species. Only seen in Minnesota, Canada, and sometimes Kettle Creek.
There's a dead fish head right there. Wonder what's feeding on the fish.
Bears.
Guinness.
Well, that's why I got him. I got him first to kind of
The old timers.
Yeah, that's good.
Last night at the cabin, this has been an awesome weekend. Tons of good food. Got a buffalo dip appetizer. Crunch, crunch, little salsa. Jake's slicing up all the veggies. Got some mushrooms, gonna saute some mushrooms. Got some greens. Got some local Andy's Market sausages to go on the grill. Surf Dog's gonna cook those up. What a good day. What was your favorite part of the day today, Brenton?
Oh man. I would say shooting the ARs.
Oh, that was fun. That was a good day.
What about you, Buckwalter?
I have to say my fish. You can get skunk.
Surf Dog?
Shooting guns.
Shooting guns. Yeah, this guy's a 2A guy going forward. What about you, Fish Whisperer?
Being with you guys and experiencing all this together it's awesome catching up. That's been the best part. 100%. But I love catching that brown trout too.
The second highlight will be spooning with you tonight. It's supposed to be so cool.
All right, here we go.
All right, look at that.
Lovely. Thank you, Chad.
Party.
Awesome. Hopefully we'll catch up this summer.
Oh yeah, I hope so too. I hope it works out.
Bro.
Fill all these up.
Uncle Frank filled them up. Yeah. Last of the guys' weekend, cleaning up the cabin. Got a couple leftover stuff. Pantries are stocked, put away. Stovetop's cleaned up. Flour, sugar.
Sullivan, yep.
Yeah, that's where Dave's.